Rodriguez. I'm the Natural Resources CTE teacher at Nottingham High School. I'm here at Elmwood Park with a group of my junior and senior students to help with the third grade stream testing field trip in conjunction with Baltimore Woods.
Well, my name is Dylan Lawrence. Today we're here at Elmwood Park to test the water for macroinvertebrates and to help the third graders understand how that process is done.
We focus on natural resources, water being a very important natural resource, and water quality being an important study within natural resources. And conservation starts with education, and that's our main goal, is to teach people about things in their backyard that they can care about. And Furnace Brook through Elmwood Park is a great place to start. One of the ways to judge and to test water quality is to look at the macroinvertebrates living within the water. And that's one of the things that my students have focused on through their 4 years in natural resources. They've gone to different streams, they've collected and analyzed the macroinvertebrates that live within the streams, and from that they can create what's called a stream quality index, and that's exactly what the third graders are participating with today. So it's a great way to get them involved and get them working together and teaching the younger ones about what we've done in the classroom.
In the stream we found lots of scuds. We also found lots of crayfish, like little lobsters, and we found, I think, a couple caddisflies too. And we told the kids, we taught them that these little bugs, they actually are indicators of non-pollution. So if we found them, we explained to them that means the stream is really healthy.
We are at Nottingham Natural Resources class, and we are here to save the rain.